What is a Python equivalent of PHP's var_dump? When debugging in PHP, I frequently find it useful to simply stick a var_dump in my code to show me what a variable is, what its value is, and the same for anything that it contains. What is a good Python equivalent for this?
I think the best equivalent to PHP's var_dump $foo, $bar, is combine print with vars.
To display a value nicely, you can use the pprint module. The easiest way to dump all variables with it is to do. If you are running in CGI, a useful debugging feature is the jet module, which displays the value of local variables as part of the traceback.
The closest thing to PHP's var_dump is pprint with the getMembers function in the built-in inspect module.
I wrote a very lightweight alternative to PHP's var_dump for using in Python and made it open source later. GitHub, this URL. You can simply install it using pip. Usage example. Prints.
PHP's var_export usually shows a serialized version of the object that can be exected to recreate the object. The closest thing to that in Python is repr. For many types, this function makes an attempt to return a string that would yield an object with the same value when passed to a val.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.